Good morning, and we are back at Baskets Galore in our warehouse going through our gift basket range.
In the middle of summertime.
Yes.
And you have to fix your little... We've got a high budget here. Our t-shirts didn't arrive in time. And it's hot. It's July. so we've sort of
fleeces.
So we've got
We're waiting for
we
t-shirts.
couldn't do any more with fleeces. So we've gone cream for Sympathy, which is rather appropriate for the occasion, with stickers on. No embroidery here or big budgets here.
A sticker.
A sticker.
So like Neil said there, we have our Sympathy gift basket. So I have the bereavement gift in front of me, and you have the...
Heartfelt condolences. It's a subject matter which is ignored.
Yeah. So we have the solution here.
Well, we think we have the solution.
We sell them, so we presume it's a solution to some people anyway. So I think one of the core things that we put into ours, if you want to do this yourself, if you're thinking of sending something or are struggling for ideas to send to your family who are maybe grieving, what we always start with in our Sympathy gift baskets is kind of teas and coffees. So,
and the reason why we do that is we are thinking, right, what would somebody who's grieving, what would somebody that you wish to send your condolences to, or somebody that's been recently bereaved, what would you want them to receive? What would you want them to get? How do you think that they're feeling?
I think easing some of the burdens that they don't want to deal with in that time. People call to the house, people, even if they're just dropping something off, like their own gift, and you welcome them in, the last thing on your mind is going to be, have I got stuff to like entertain these, not entertain, but you know, you're welcoming people into your house.
It's a whirlwind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whenever you look back onto it, you don't even remember what was actually happening at that time. You don't remember who gave you this or who did this or whatever. It's just a whirlwind. You're completely wrapped up in your own grief, your own emotion and whatever.
So that's kind of where our thought process has come from whenever we've selected our products. So we always start with like teas and coffees. Then to kind of complement that is your biscuits and kind of snacky things. We kind of have gone for things that are easily shared. So if we look here, we've got lots of biscuits. These homes, then there's like five fingers that can be shared out, easy to have with your cup of tea.
See, a traditional hamper would only have, it would have like 1 or 2 packets of biscuits along with its traditional associative types of things. Yeah. But that's not what people want at that moment in time. You got to think about what it is that people want. So if you're going around producing this, don't be asking ChatGPT, what do you put into
a gift hamper,
because it's going to give you...
They don't want cheeses and chutneys. They need more comfort, and that comes from the kind, what you go to every day.
Just think for yourself. Yeah. Stop asking others what it needs to be. But so this is...
They're asking us. That's why we're filming this.
But we are putting ourselves forward as the people that send hundreds of Sympathy gifts on an annual basis. So if you're looking for an idea as to what to send as a Sympathy gift, this is ideal for you. So you've got so many types of biscuits. Yeah.
All we like sherry things. So there's like 2 fingers in each of these, the cream wafers, and we've got waffles. Is easy to grab one and kind of sit and have a chat with someone.
It's almost that sense of whenever I notice, like whenever, obviously for me, my father or whatever, the number of people that came, this was whenever I was much younger, but the number of people that came to the house, if you pay attention to how people behave, you can create better solutions to their problems. So when people would be coming to the house, they would be, they don't know how to behave, they don't know what to say, they don't know what to do. Have you experienced that?
Yeah, like that's what I was saying. It is a bit of an uncomfortable topic, and people, you don't know whether should you go and say something, should you not, and give them their space. And if you do decide go to someone's house, you can bring this with you. If you don't want to intrude on their family space, you can have it, delivered to their house.
Yeah.
So, or just, leave it there for them. So I think it's kind of, this sort of gift, sympathy gift, does suit a lot of people whenever you're unsure of how to proceed, that no matter what kind of angle you go for, we've covered majority of bases here.
It's guaranteed to be appreciated.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful expression, I think, of your concern, your thoughts, your sentiments.
Yeah, which we've kind of captured in just, our cake. We have it says, with deepest sympathy, and we've got a little flower there just to finish it all.
Then the key message from this video is put together a beautiful container. It just so happens that our color, our branding or whatever of these white baskets really lends itself well to it. But it doesn't need to be cliched. It can be any color that you so wish.
Yeah.
And then put together, basically, to cut it all down and make it as simple as possible, a nice cake that the people can share. Chocolate cake, lots of nice biscuits, no alcohol.
No.
And snacks and whatever that can be put out for people to try and whatever, and just distract a little bit from the prevailing mood. That will be us for sympathy. Thank you.